Are you guys hearing me? Okay. So, alright. So sometimes I love to hear you guys like that, so I could know I'm not speaking to myself. So actually, what I was trying to explain is this setup that happened here. If you know how I trade, okay, part of my strategy of which I trade is always divergence and reversals. Okay, this was actually a very nice reversal because if you look at what price was creating on the main chart, it was creating higher highs, while on the RSI it was creating higher lows, but it wasn't really printing out real good on 1 hour time frame, or when it printed out on 1 hour time frame. Should I make that premium info? Okay, it's still fine. While it's printed out on 1 hour time frame, that of 1 hour time frame wasn't that clean, hence why I did not take it serious. But that on 15 minutes was actually a very clean reversal. So like for some people may be asking me, do you use this stuff on lower time frame, or can you spot the same things on lower time frame? Yes, you can use it on lower time frame too, but bear in mind those ones you use on lower time frame, you have to be monitoring it very well, because it will not last for long. You only see them last for long if it aligns with either a key level or a higher time frame confirmation. Okay, so hence why this divergence did not last for long. On the other hand, I would have even asked you people these questions to really know if how many of you really understand how we trade, though, at least for people that here on the free sessions. Okay, except people that are my mentees and knows my strategy. So I would have really asked you people, okay, this is divergence. I mostly trade divergence and reversals. Okay, we had divergence here, so why was I looking for buys when I saw my divergence confirmation? Albeit as may, I've already answered the question. So hence why we sent that signal, or projection rather, sent the projection to the general group for people that may be interested to make use of it. At least it would have been a nice one. So that's the signal, and this is the after. Very nice one. Like, I think this week we are going to have a lot of spikes on most of the pays. Like I said, almost all the boom pays will be going up this week. So we are looking forward for the best possible entries. Quite unfortunate that we missed this one. Quite unfortunate that we did. If we had drawn here or drawn from this body, we would have had a very nice motivation. But the way I trade, I always like price to retrace a little bit, then I strike. But that's fine. We still have data set up to make entries from. So I don't know if you guys have any question. Daily time frame. Okay. Miss 1, 2, 3 re-entries for this trade. At this, I would have taken to 1 to exited on this highs, because probably take partials and hold for long. My daily time frame doesn't really want to open. Let me try 8 hours. At least 8 hours is closer to daily time frame. Yes, and you know another reason. Okay, let me allow you to finish first. Yeah, this is 8 hours. I can hear you. What were you saying? Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. This one, double top. This one, this one, this one. Okay. It's going to drop, Abby. Actually, let price get there first, though. If it does get there, it's going to give us a confirmation for a drop or a continuation. It's how price is going to push. Okay, and at least I've showed you I've showed you guys one of my cheats that I use. How I'm going to know if price is going to drop from this area. Okay, but actually, certainly there will be ranges on this area. Okay, see, because it's a key level, certainly there will be ranges, so which will determine either a trend continuation or a reversal. Okay, but while that price will be ranging, it always prints me chart patterns. That's if it wishes to reverse back to the downside. But if I look out for my chart patterns, I don't see it, hence I will look for a continuation to the upside. Then another thing is price also could also push to the upside from here, because this place is actually a neckline for this. Is if we are able to open our daily time frame, this is actually a divergence on daily time frame, this move here. So price should be pushing all the way to the upside, and there are imbalances being left here. So hence why I think price, there is actually a very, like this place you just spotted now, I spotted that area too, that's why I have my lines there. This area too will also determine the continuation of price to the either the upside or a reversal back to the downside, but I'm actually favoring the upside, hence why I was already looking for trend, all this buy continuation, instead of looking for a reversal, even when I saw my divergence and in 1 hour time frame and 15 minutes I didn't. Yeah, so I did not take it serious, because I was looking at the bigger picture, which I'm still looking at the bigger picture. Let's see if my daily time frame is going to open. If the daily time frame opens, you see this big move here is actually a divergence, a bullish divergence, a regular divergence, which shows reversal of the trend. So hence why everything I'm going to be looking out for are buys, except price prints another higher time frame reversal on this key zone somewhere around there. So, but since we have imbalances here, it will also be a little bit tricky. Let me take it back to my 8 hour. Let me take it back to my 8 hour. If price continue moving this way, the way it's moving now, like leaving imbalances, like in a okay, let me check. Maybe they just joined. I had unmuted everyone before we start. Everybody's unmuted. Okay, Bobby was muted. Maybe he joined us again. So if price continues moving in a straight line and we are not seeing any retracements whatsoever here, while price comes to this neckline, then we may have a little bit retracement. Even though there's a little bit retracement, it may just be a break and retest back to the neckline for an entry, not much of a big retracement, because moreover boom 300 has been on a very massive bearish trend for years. So even from somewhere around here, like last year, I've been looking for bullish moves. And it has been failing me. I've been looking for bullish moves. So That's why if you observe, I've not really sent signals on boom 300 because I've been anticipating the reversal for long. Not until I had some few confirmations here, more like a double bottom now, and first neckline was being broken here, heading to the second one. So let's see how it goes. So actually, this is a kind of trade that someone can hold and hold for long, and hold for long. For the people that were able to make that entry from this zone. Yeah, it's a swing trade. My entries, if it actually wants to go to its direction and you have the mind to hold, it's actually swing. It's actually a swing trade, most of them. But when you see me put take profits, don't miss to take profits. I always say it, no matter how close price is, always take profits in your 100% retracement level, which is mostly my entries are always from 1 hour time frame. So which is my 1 hour 100% retracement. Like I told you guys, if I was to enter this trade, to place this trade, I would have exited here, no matter what. Normal rules for me. It's part of my rules. So entry from here to this upside, then probably take all partials and leave maybe 2 trades running till whenever price kicks me out. Alright,